I'm working on a 2010 Honda Ridgeline. I'm going to be doing the headlight bulb, so let's jump into it. I'm going to go over here and pop our hood. Let's see, reach in here right by the Honda symbol, and there's your release latch. Then we lift it. Here's our kickstand. Kickstand goes right into there. There's a little arrow. Then we come down to our headlight bulb. This guy right here, this is our low beam bulb, not the high beam, but this pulls out. There's a 3-prong plug, and then you have this rubber gasket. Now this rubber gasket can get stuck on there pretty easily, so just, that one came off pretty easy, luckily. And then what you have here is a little clip to release the bulb. So this you got to push in and then pull out and around, and then open this up. Then you grab the bulb from here. Don't touch the glass, it will ruin the bulb. And this side is up. This is an H4 bulb. And then putting this back in, just make sure this is the right side up to fit in there. It will not fit in otherwise. And you got to line it up with the markers. Boom. So lined it up, got it in. And then we take our little hook, put that there. Then we put our weather covering, this guy. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb. This, make sure it fits on, and then push firm here all the way around it. That's gonna pop that in there. And then push this secondary seal in there. Then attach the plug. You cannot put this on wrong. It's a 3-prong plug. Boom, there it is. And that's how you change a light bulb on a Honda Element. Oh, now it's not an Element, it's the Ridgeline, but it's the same for 2010. So if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.